Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can read the live voicemail transcript in real time and decide to pick up the call or not on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, scroll down, and then in here, tap on Phone. Next, go down and tap on Live Voicemail. Now make sure Live Voicemail is turned on. If this is off, then you will not be able to use or to read live voicemail in real time. And that's it. Once it is turned on, now if you receive an incoming call, so when you get an incoming call and say you tap on the decline button, that will go to voicemail. Now the other person will have the opportunity to leave a voicemail message. And when they do, you can read their message in real time. Hi, I just want to say I'm sorry that I ate your burger that you left in the fridge this morning. Please forgive me. And if you are listening right now, please pick up the call. So here you can see I can choose to accept the call if I wanted to, because now I have read the content, so I can choose to answer by tapping on the answer button, or I can just wait for the call to end. And that's it. That is how you can use that live mail feature on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.